Hi, I'm Dee. My variety channel is about encouraging others with hope and positivity as a family caregiver to my mom, aka Queen G, and as a homemaker, plus YouTuber. This is a mini-series straight from Las Vegas, Nevada. Not all what happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas. At least, not in these vlogs. I had to vlog that. After having a family dinner with my dad, stepmom, sister, and niece, we stopped at the JW Marriott Rampart Casino and Resort on our way home, a local favorite in Summerlin, and a gorgeous property just to take a stroll or a place to relax and stay at. We actually looked into having our wedding here because I fell in love with the beautiful surroundings of this property. The weather is beautiful for taking a nice stroll, and my mom kept saying she wants her backyard to look just like this.
I want my backyard to look like this.
Okay. Well, you gotta hit it big. Hey Pam, bring her over here. Okay, we're at Rampart Casino in Summerlin. Our backyard. Just kidding. Well, it's kind of sort of near our backyard. Pretty night. It's like 80. Is there any fish? There's Jay. It's pretty. Queen G's already. She has her pretty earrings. I was telling my mom that she really did a good job in picking out and choosing her jewelry, because that matches her new shirt. She's waiting for her sister from Tuba City to arrive today, and her nieces. Exciting. Me, on the other hand, have been rushing around. But I have the lasagna. That's a big lasagna. Have lasagna going. My sister's picking up a salad. I cut all of the, you know, toppings like cucumbers, onions, and all that. And then I have garlic bread there. These two sisters have an incredible lifetime of amazing experiences. Their stories are treasured. A day and a half with my aunt and cousins seemed too quick of a visit. Family is everything. Mom, did you hear that? Do it for Genevieve. There's a rotating bar right there. We're at Fremont Street. Gonna have dinner with the family. Oh, here we go. There's a shot. Look at those people, Mom. The zip line. Woo! Queen G's all waving. Huh. This is the original carpet from the 40s or something like that. Here at the Binion's. We're gonna go to the top rooftop for a steakhouse up there. It's reopened. The top of Binion's Steakhouse was originally known as a Top of the Mint way back in the day in '65. It's located way on the 24th floor of the Binion's Casino downtown Fremont Street. They actually have their own butcher shop and aged steaks like prime rib, ribeye with the bone in, lobster, you name it. Of course.
To bless the food. Dear Lord, thank you very much for bringing us here today safely again. We ask that this food give us strength to do your will. Also, good health. May we always be able to laugh and enjoy life. Amen.
Amen.
Thank you.
Wow. We all agreed that we haven't ate such a delicious steak as this in a long time. My parents used to dine here in the 1970s, and I'm pretty sure they haven't changed their vintage decor much either. And I cannot believe this is my very first time here. Like, what? But it was so delicious, and hey, those views were stunning, especially if you can time it right with the sunset. We indulged together as a family. The restaurant is pretty fascinating with its history, and it has an old Vegas feel or vibes. Ooh, look at that kitty and that mint. We're all getting our cameras ready. Look at all our, he's probably so used to this. Well, we're ready. Nice. Whoa. Cream brulee.
Don't try this at home. I'm just guessing the plate's hot, okay? So don't touch it.
If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I'm a full-time family caregiver to my mom who suffered a massive stroke. Every day, every year, I try to make it lovely as possible. Not just for Queen G, but myself and my husband too. It's a lot of dedication, commitment, and compassion as a caregiver like myself. I'm at that stage where I don't want to put our life on hold just because. I want to live it. No matter what, no matter how I can make it happen, I do. I do it for my mom mostly, but now I do it for all of us. As they say, life is too short. I hate that saying, only because I find it's true and sad at the same time. I choose to live life lovely whenever I can. Excuse me.
I'm just gonna cash in. I'm gonna cash in and sit right here.
This is the Fremont experience, but I always knew it as Fremont Street. Shoot, I remember when we drove our car down this street many years ago. We would pull up and park off the curb that once was here somewhere. So many changes. Now it's all about the experience. I still love going here, even though it has become very loud and quite entertaining. There's a lot of good restaurants. Some have been here forever and local favorites, and we love to eat at those when we're in town. Good for your money, I think. Plus, the slot machines are a bit looser here, too. We've won here on the last 2 trips on Fremont Street. I mean, the Fremont experience.
He was a very good friend, you know, that grill pot.
Oh, I'm sorry, here. Just letting her see.
That's fine.
Oh, look, Mom, you can see a plane. The plane is taking off over there above the mountains. Look, it's going to our house in San Francisco.
You live in San Francisco?
Yeah.